I was listening to this song on the radio about the singer's version of his perfect lady, and it totally reminded me of you. If I ended up in heaven after death and was asked in which from I would like to come back, I would choose the form of a tear. This way I can be born in your eyes. Then I would roll down your checks and then die right on your lips. If there was a choice between loving you and breathing, my last breath would be used just to say that I love you. You bring me abundant happiness and joy, and I promise to love you forever and always. We go together like ketchup and macaroni and cheese. Our love seems unnatural, but it works. Your kiss tale of the rising of the sun, and your smile speaks of sunsets. You have been the best partner, lover, companion. Thanks for the beauty you bring into my life every single day. Some think falling in love is an accident, but I know I feel in love with you on purpose. Loving you all these years is the air that keeps me breathing and the perfume that makes my life beautiful. You have bewitched me, body and soul, and I love. I never wish to be parted from you. From this day on, you have bewitched me, body and soul, and I love. I never wish to be parted from you. From this day on, I don't want to close my eyes or fall asleep because I will do miss you, and I don't want to miss anything. You are the best of both worlds of courage. You possess extreme outer beauty, but you also have the most amazing heart. I love you. There are not enough words in the English language to describe how beautiful you are. In fact, I could learn every language in the world and still lack the words to express how much I love you. I now beautiful days are waiting for us ahead, so this wait is all worth it to me, son. We will be together, eagerly waiting for you to come, my love. The thought of you fills me with warmth and joy, no matter how far apart we may be. I love you. I would cross oceans to be with you, my love. Distance may separate us, but nothing can ever break us apart. I may not be able to hold you in my arms right now, but I hold you in my heart always. I love you more than anything. I will be your cloud up in the sky, and I will be a shoulder to lean on. I will be there for you when you call me. You are always on my mind. I cannot deny that a special person like you has taken a part of my heart away. I cannot wait to see you, my love. Thoughts of you will never stop being in my heart. I wish you all the best on this earth and hope you will be here soon. I love you. Thanks for watching video.